In a developing story, more documents were submitted this week for the public nuisance lawsuit against the city of Tulsa over the 1921 Tulsa Race Massacre.
Last week, Justice for Greenwood and the city were back in court. The city is making its second attempt to have this case dismissed. Fox 23's Tanya Motorzycki is live on Greenwood with details on where the case stands now. Tanya.
Shay and Sarah, today was the day we were supposed to find out what Judge Carolyn Wall was deciding in this case, whether she was going to dismiss it or continue on to trial. But due to those recent submitted paperwork from the Justice for Greenwood attorneys, there's another holdup in court again.
It's still a waiting game for the last three survivors of the Tulsa Race Massacre while they wait for a ruling from Judge Carolyn Wall on the public nuisance lawsuit.
While we're blessed that they're here at 109, 108, and 102 plus, no one lives forever. And our focus is getting them justice before they pass away.
Judge Wall said she'd have a ruling on the case by Friday, May 19th, but earlier this week, attorney representing the survivors and Justice for Greenwood, Demario Solomon Simmons, submitted a supplementary notice of authority to the court. Documents state their argument of not needing to submit an abatement plan at this time, which the city is saying is needed as an effort to get the case dismissed.
It's very clear what we're asking for. We want an abatement of the nuisance that was created by the 1921 Tulsa Race Massacre.
The document says the ultimate abatement plan is a decision for the court based on the evidence presented in trial.
It's up to her to decide what is the equitable relief. Land trust, assortment of things. Again, I don't want to get too far into that because that's not our burden right now.
Judge Wall responded on Wednesday saying her decision is delayed and is giving the city time to respond to the recently filed documents.
This case is still alive.
The city cannot comment on pending lawsuits. Now, Judge Wall did not give a time frame as to when she will have her ruling out. Demario Solomon Simmons says time is running out since the survivors are getting up there in age. Live covering news that matters, I'm Tanya Motorzycki, Fox 23 News.